Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shu. So today, don't mind the box, but I'm gonna do my September BOXYCHARM. I was getting a little antsy and I just ripped into it instead of going. But let's get into this month's. Let's not put that there. Let's get into this month, BOXYCHARM. So this month's theme is wildflower. And we got pictures of these girls who I don't recognize. And we got all these in here. We got a palette, this, and that. Alright. Now, what I'm gonna first pull out is the Alamar Cosmetics Ojitos brush set, and this retails for $18. Take it out. These are the 3 types of brushes you're going to be getting. But first, let's start off with the major thing right here. This is the Pretty Vulgar Embrace Your Beautiful Contradictions Nightingale Eyeshadow Palette. So when we open it, we got a nice mirror in here, and we got these colors, and they have the names right in the front, which is so good. It's what I've always been using. I'm gonna take Pillow Fight and put that in the crease. I'm going to take Flip Out, and I'm going to put that towards my ends. That up here. Flip Out again. Flip Out to kind of blend in everything. For my inner corner, I'm just going to use the Break Free right here. This one I have the right precision. I Spy. So that's it for this. This is what I'm going to do with my eyes. Butter London Stroke of Roll and retails for $19. The palette retails for, this big palette retails for $35.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
Then we have the Laura Geller brush, like.
The skies, all because of you. Dripping lights, paint the skies.
The Lorac Pro Liquid Lipstick, which retails for $19. And the one thing, if you choose to subscribe to BOXYCHARM and they ask you what type of colors you want in your box, make sure you pick like what colors you want, because if you pick Surprise Me, they most likely will send you browns and tans, which are not necessarily so complimenting to my skin tone, although I will jazz it up with lip gloss or something. I've heard Lorac is really good, and it's a really nice, beige color. It's nice, it's not bad, but browns, it's like a mauve color, so it's not bad. Oh, it smells good too. Go back. $35 plus 28 plus 18 plus 19 plus 19. Oh, the Butter London eye roller thing is liquid liner is $19. So that makes this month's total $119. So this is this month's box. Pretty cool, pretty neat. Hello, Charm. And this is the look. This is how it is, you know, when it's matte. Girls on our monthly, so that's why I got all these breakouts and everything, whatever have you happening. And don't worry, I'm going to be doing the Jaclyn Hill palette, which I thought I had somewhere here. Oh, I have it over here. It's for $21 and always retails this somewhat over like $100. The BOXYLUXE box retails for over $300, I believe, and you get, I believe it's 8 items, but you can look on the actual website. So I think it's really great. I just started this about a month ago, so this is my second box, and I really love all the products. Now it's just finding a place to stash all of them. But this is what this month's looks like. You know, I think it looks really nice. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you try to actually start a subscription box. And you know, let me know what you think about this eye look, and if you have any suggestions about what I should do, or what did you do for your eyes, let me know. I like all the products. They're all different and new. I love getting more brushes because, you know, you need as many brushes as you can with as many looks as you know you can get done. But thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe before you leave. Go follow me on my Instagram. It's at @AlShoesView. Follow me on Snapchat. It's at @AmView. And I'll be coming back soon with another eye tutorial or full face tutorial. Alright, so I'll talk to you later. Take care. Bye.